Dialogue. And the lion's blood is
here. Igbo Area TV on the Igbo. Hello viewers, how on a day? Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. This is not my write-up, but it made sense so much. Flashback to attacks on Goodluck Jonathan. You know, while he was president, Nigerians were calling him names from these different corners. Obasanjo said Jonathan is training snipers somewhere. You could imagine that. Atiku told him, I will make your government ungovernable. Dino Malayo said, Jonathan is the most corrupt president in the history of Nigeria. Dino, will you still say that again? Will you still say that again? Adeboye of Redeem, 1 million march protest against insecurity. Oh, what about now? Are you still ready to protest? Pastor Suleiman said, Jonathan's government stole a lot of money. Oh, what about the current Buhari's government? Please tell us something. Want to hear something. Reverend Fadejim came back and said, Jonathan is a bad luck. Okay, Buhari is a good luck. Okay. Somebody said monkey and baboon will be soaked in blood if Jonathan continues in 2015. The incumbent president, Buhari, said so. Hey, monkey and baboon, maybe we go to zoo and, you know. Rotimi Amechi said we will form a parallel government if Jonathan wins. That was in 2015. That is if their rigging fails and Jonathan wins. Northern Elder said Jonathan is the sponsor of Boko Haram. Are you sure? Are you sure? Geskianku ne? Wanna geskianku? Rufai said Jonathan is a kindergarten president. You know kindergarten school. What of Buhari? Metu said class incompetence. Hey, if Jonathan is a kindergarten, this one where we there now. All the Kwanegu. Well, PDP and Jonathan have failed Nigeria. That was Showore. The Showore that is leading a lot of protests now. He said PDP and Jonathan failed Nigeria. Oh, really? An APC, the savior, is coming. Really? Okay. Obi Ezekwesili became, was she a marathon racer? Be waiting. She said, Jonathan, bring back our girls. Oh, Jonathan sees the girls. Somebody recently said, those girls that disappeared, that it was a conspiracy to remove Jonathan's government. It's a conspiracy. Well, Jonathan is gone. We want the Chibok girls back. We want them. Obi Ezekwesili, go and protest. But just like this kind of government that is leading Nigeria now, they don't like protests at all. See what they do to protesters. Obi Ezekwesili, where are you? The government that failed to restore power in 6 months is a failure. Hey, Babatunde Fashola, but you were made the power minister. Did you restore it in 6 months? Did you restore it in 6 months, Babatunde Fashola? Hey! Finally, Kwankwaso now said, we use our majority to vote out Jonathan. Well, use our majority to vote out Jonathan. Well, Kwankwaso, why didn't you use our majority to win Gandola in Kano? Gandola won with all of your Almajiri. Gandola still won. And where are you now? Kwankwaso, where are you? I hope Buhari that you voted in and voted Jonathan out. I hope Buhari is doing you well. I heard you are the best of friends. Hey! Today, Jonathan is getting more encomiums, promotion, and recognition from the West. You know, look at what is happening now. Go to countries where election monitoring, peace missions, Jonathan is invited to lead. Because Jonathan is respected. Jonathan is respected. Instead of letting blood, he accepted defeat. Though a lot of people are still skeptical about what happened. We know we heard of massive rigging, and not just massive rigging, underage voting. Underage Northerners were accredited to vote. Then, apart from just underage, we have people who voted millions. Each person voted like 20,000 times, and they won. And look at Nigeria today. Oh my God. Anyway, Atiku has been rewarded for what he said. Kwankwaso has been rewarded. Dino Melaye has been rewarded. I heard Dino Melaye is not even a senator now. He has turned to a musician. Mbaka can't even talk again. Even the time he made pronouncement, he said people that are surrounding Buhari, the thing it's too much. Guys, no, Mbaka was seeing prophecy. Well, I hope that is from God, though. Those kind of prophecy. Suleiman is quiet. The other day, they said CAC, companies and allied, is it companies and allied matters or what? This body in charge with business registration. They say CAC can come and unseat a pastor of a church. That the church is just like every other NGO. They can unseat and change the chairman. That is the Buhari you voted in. Hey, Obi Ezekwesili has been shut up and banned. She is not protesting again. It's like she needs Lucozade boost. Obasanjo has been shut down. Meanwhile, Obasanjo speaks occasionally, as usual. Obasanjo, remember, he tore his PDP certificates. I don't know if he has bought APCO certificate. Hey, Erufai. Well, Erufai is warming up to become president. Erufai is warming up. They are the people warming up. They feel Nigeria is theirs. That, after all, they have been managing Nigeria for some time. They had to rule. Well, I hope so everybody they feel more. There is serious hunger in the land. Well, Northern elders are crying already. Everybody is feeling the heat. Adeboye, if I were you, church people, I'll be careful when I talk about politics. Yeah, so you don't just open your mouth and say, when God did not ask you to speak. If I were you people, I'll be careful on politics. Showore is receiving his own punishment. Meanwhile, we don't support the manhandling of protesters, but you see what happened to Showore in court. Look at how he was dragged. These are people who opposed Jonathan's government and welcomed somebody who will do us well, and same government is dealing with him. It's amazing. Petrol was sold at 87 naira per liter. Now, what do you see? During Jonathan's time, rice was 8,500 naira. What about today? $1 was 165 naira. Today, Kwani, cement was 750. I had cement just went up to 3,000, 3,500. Now it's coming back to 3,000. And you had anything that goes up in Nigeria to come down, even if dollars come down. Hey, insecurity was minimal then. When all these curses was raining on Jonathan, JEJ. It's amazing, oh, it's amazing. My question goes to fellow Christians, brothers whose name is listed above. Have Adeboye suddenly lost his 1 million men? Is BBN so interesting to Reverend Bakadan, the situation of the current government they are agitated for? You know, Mbaka said, started suddenly predicting what happens in BBN, Big Brother Niger. He doesn't see about Nigeria anymore, politics. He's seen what happens in Big Brother Niger. Is Apostle Suleiman buying petrol with current pump price, etc.? Hey, let's stop hating people for no reason. Jonathan was a kind of government that is calm. He's somebody you are pinching and he's watching. He refused to react. He got some powers to act, but he was watching. Let's stop hatred. I want all those concerned to go and ponder on this video, share it wide, rethink. Perhaps, anything that happens is for a lesson. Perhaps we have learned our lessons. Say Buhari, say Buhari, say Buhari. I have not had that recently. Hey, God help us. This is where I'll leave this one for now. Please subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.